Hello students, today I am going to start the chapter linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. So what is linear equation? Now in an equation, if only one variable is there and the highest power of the variable is if 1, then that equation is called linear equation. Suppose for example ax plus 2 equal to 5. You can say it is a linear equation because here only one variable is there, x, and the power of x is what? 1. Then that is called your linear equation. Now linear equation, how will form the linear equation? Suppose like this questions are given, then you can solve and you can find out. Suppose in language question is given, for example, the price of 3 pen is 15 rupees. If you are going to write in the linear equation form, then what will write? Suppose the price of 1 pen, let the price of 1 pen be rupees x, then the 3 pen price will be how much? 3 into x equal to 15. That means 3x equal to 15. Like this way you can write. Means in linear equation form. So then linear equation you can solve and you can find out the value of the variables by using three methods. These three methods are elimination method, transposition method, and cross multiplication method. Now from this chapter, when the question will come or when you will see your book question, sometime it is given solve the following and verify your answer. In that case you can solve by using any method, only solve. If in your question only solve is given, then any method you can use and you can solve. But if particular method name is given, means solve the following by using elimination method. That means you have to solve by elimination method. If some questions are given solved by transposition method, you have to solve by using transposition method. Suppose some questions are given solved by using cross multiplication method, then you have to solve by cross multiplication method. But this is all about like this equation. But if language question, don't bother about the language question. Any method you can solve, because you are going to form one equation and you will solve. So in case of language question, don't think about the method. Any method, which one is easy for you, according to you, which one is easy, that is the method you can use. Now I'll show you first elimination method. Elimination method means how to solve. What is the meaning of eliminate? Means you will remove. Eliminate means what? You are going to remove. So how will remove? And what you are going to remove? You see here. Suppose this question I am considering 5x plus 3 equal to 2 into twice x plus 4. So here you see first you will write 5x plus 3, then here 2 to the 4x plus 2 4 the 8. 2 4 the 8. Now we can't bring, actually in linear equation we can bring this side to that side, but in elimination method we can't bring any number from right side to left side, or we can't take any number from left side to right side. Means now we have to remove. So first our duty, we are going to remove 4x. Our duty, because here this side is 5x, this is the greater one, this is the greatest one, and this is the smallest one. So we are going to remove 4x. So how will remove? You see, now here 5x plus 3, from this side we will subtract 4x, then 4x plus 8 minus 4x. So that means both side I am subtracting 4x. Since here equal sign is there, no problem. Both side we are subtracting 4x. So then what will come? You see 5x, the like term will bring first 4x minus 5x minus 4x plus 3. Here we will write 4x minus 4x plus 8. Then you see 5x minus 4x. 5x minus 4x means how much? X plus 3. 4x cancel. Because one is plus, another one is minus, cancel. Then only 8. Now you see, I am not bringing any number from this side to that side. I am subtracting. So this method, that's why it is called elimination method. Now you see here plus 3 is there. Our aim, we are going to find out the value of x. So plus 3 is there, means both sides we have to subtract 3 again. Next step, what we'll do? X plus 3, here minus 3, this side also minus 3. That means what? This cancel, plus 3 minus 3 cancel, 8 minus 3 means 5. Your answer is 5. So that's why this method is called elimination method. In elimination method, don't forget that you can't take any number from left side to right side, or right side, you can't bring any number from right side to left side also. Only you have to see the question and you have to subtract from both sides. You have to subtract from both sides. So this method name is what? Elimination method. So this all about your elimination method. Okay. Now second method is your transposition method. In transposition method means you see the same question I'll solve by using transposition method. In transposition method means you see what I'll do here. First 5x plus 3. Here first will multiply 2 to the 4 plus 4 to the 8. Now in transposition method, you can bring from left side to right side, or you can take from right side to left side. According to your wish, you can just change their side. So our aim, we are going to find out the value of x. So what we'll do? 5x from this side, we will bring the 4x this side, that means minus 4x. Then here 8, and this plus 3 will take from left side to right side, that means minus 3. That means 5x minus 4x means what? X, and 8 minus 3 means 5. So this method is called transposition method. You see the difference between elimination method and transposition method. So that's why when I started this chapter, I told you, if in your question, if it is given only solve and verify. Suppose this question is given. For example, you just consider this question. I'll just show you now, right now. Question is given, solve and verify your answer. Solve and verify your answer is given. So first you are just solving and finding, you are getting the value of x, that means your solve part is over. Solve part is over. Then verification, how will do? Then you will write verification. Then verification means this left hand side part. This left hand side means you will write LHS, left hand side, 5x plus 3. Then 5, now x value means how much? 5 plus 3. 5 5 ja 25 plus 3, that means 28. Then now you will take right hand side. Right hand side means what? 2 into twice x plus 4. Then 2 into x value means how much? 5 plus 4. That means 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 4. That means 2. 10 plus 4 means how much? 14. 14 2s are 28. Now you see left hand side also 28, right hand side also 28. Therefore, you can write left hand side equal to right hand side verified. You can write verified. So if in your question it is given solve and verify, and that means solve and verify means no mention, they are not mentioning about any method, you can solve like this way and you can verify it. So this all about your elimination method and transposition method. And cross multiplication method is very easy. Cross multiplication method means very easy, means just I'll take one question and I'll show you. For example, suppose, for example, we'll write 7 by y minus 12 equal to 3 by y plus 4. Y plus 4. Suppose this one. So here you see, here your variable is what? Here your variable is y in this question, and we have to solve this one by using cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method, when we can use when the numerator and denominator part should be there, then only you can use the cross multiplication method. If in your denominator part, if only one is there, suppose denominator value, no value is there, only one value is there, in each and every equation the denominator is 1. So if only one denominator, then if you cross multiply, the same thing is coming, so we can't use the cross multiplication method. So here you see this one, what we will do, first you will cross multiply this into this equal to this into this. So that means what, we will write 7 into y plus 4 equal to 3 into y minus 12. Then how much you will get, 7y plus 28, 3y minus 36. Then 7y will bring this one, 3y equal to minus 36 minus 28. That means 4y equal to how much, 64. That means y equal to minus 64 by 4, 16. Therefore y equal to minus 16. This method is called cross multiplication method. So in your book, from the linear equation chapter, only these three methods are given: elimination method, transposition method, and cross multiplication method. So all the method already I explained you how to solve. And then first exercise, easily you can solve. First exercise, each and every question, first question is given solved by elimination method, next question is given solved by transposition method, and third question is given solved by cross multiplication method. Then the next exercise, in that exercise in your book you will get the language questions are given. So language questions, when the language question you will get, first you read the question carefully, then you just try to make the linear equation form, and when you'll get the linear equation form, then easily you can solve it by using any method. Okay, for example, this question, you see this one is language question is given, how to solve. Here you see a positive number is 3 times another number, full stop. If 3 is added to the smaller number, the difference between new number and greater means greater number, becomes 31. What are the numbers? So this language equation given, how will solve. So here you see first line, you see a positive number is 3 times another number. One number and another number, their difference is 3 times. So first solution, how will write? Let the smaller number be x. Smaller number will consider x, and another number is what? 3 times another. So we will write and the greater number be 3x. So two numbers we are getting, one is x, another one is 3x. First line is over. Now if 3 is added to the smaller number is which one? This one. With this one, if we will add 3, then what will come? Then the difference between new number and greater number is 31. So that means we will write by equation. By equation, what will write? Here greater number is which one? Greater number is 3x. Then difference means minus. With smaller number we are going to add how much? 3. X plus 3. Then result will come out how much? 31. Again I will repeat this part. You see, according to your question, with smaller number you are going to add how much? 3. So you see, with smaller number I am adding here x plus 3. Then this part you will subtract from which one? This part you are going to subtract from the greater part number. So greater number is here how much? 3x. So 3x minus x plus 3. Then the result will come out how much? Result will come out 31. So this minus this equal to 31. Then you see how we'll solve after that. 3x minus, now we'll remove the bracket, x plus into minus minus 3 equal to 31. Then 3x minus x means twice x. Then 31, this 3 will take that side plus 3. That means twice x equal to how much? 34. Then x equal to 34 by 2, that means 17. Therefore x equal to 17. Then what will write? Therefore you will write, therefore the smaller number be x equal to 17, and the, because smaller number we are considering what? X. So you will write the smaller number be, x value is how much? X value is 17. So you will write the smaller number, therefore the smaller number be x equal to 17, and the greater number be 3x equal to 3 into 17 means 3 into 17 means how much? 51. So like this way you have to solve your language question. Very simple, easily you can solve. You try to solve, and that's all for your linear equation in one variable chapter. Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe.
Do it for self.
Do it for your family. Do it for India.
Let's break the chain of COVID-19.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद। हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद।
हम होंगे कामयाब। जय हिंद।